In this video, I will show you how to use OpusClip's AI B-roll generator. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. On the home screen of OpusClip, you will see a number of different options. Scroll over until you find AI B-roll. You can then drop a YouTube link or upload a video. So I am going to upload a video that is on my hard drive. Your video will then start uploading. Once your video has finished uploading, you will then be presented with two options, AI generated B-roll or stock B-roll. So we are going to use AI generated B-roll, then select add B-roll in one click. Your video will then start processing. Once your video has finished processing, you will see it under all projects. You should then see your AI B-roll inserted.
So we've been at the airport for some time, but we've been looking for them at departures when we should be looking at arrivals. It is so confusing, but...
So you can see that B-roll has been added to my video. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.